Hello everyone, welcome back again to online class of social science. And students, this is a continuation video of chapter 9, Assam. As you know that in our last video, that means in part 1, we came to know about Assam, history and geography. And in this video, we will know about the climate and agriculture and about the vegetations, wildlife, festivals, tourism and many things about the Assam. So let's start. So now it is about climate. So see, the climate of Assam is humid. We all know that its temperature is ranging from the 35 degree to 38 degrees Celsius, and in summer to 6 to 8 degrees Celsius in winter. Okay, so the region receives, the people of Assam, we receive and the region of Assam receives the heavy rainfall, and the flooding of river Brahmaputra is an every year issue of the state. Yes, we face the people of Diffu also face the problem of flood in every year, causing loss of life, property, and during those times every year many parts of the regions get disconnected from the rest of the country or states. So next is agriculture. So agriculture is like the basic of the economy of Assam. Most of the people are agriculturists, and they engage a majority of the total workforce. Around 50% of the total population of tea in India is exclusive to Assam. Okay, and apart from tea, the other crops grown in the state include rice, potato, sweet potato, then jute, banana, papaya, and we are also we have ginger, turmeric, mustard seeds, then sugarcane, nut, and different, etc. Yes, so agricultural practice in the state are still traditional, resulting in low crop year. Agriculture in Assam is mainly dependent on southwest monsoon. Okay, the next we have is natural vegetations and wildlife. So the natural vegetation of Assam, it comprises of the trees like the deciduous trees, tropical rainforest, bamboo, orchid, then grasslands and wetlands. Okay, so the orchid is the primary plant found in the state, and Assam is a home of wide variety of wildlife and birds. And Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is a natural abode of the Indian one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, and some other they are endangered species found in the state are Bengal tiger, Asian elephant, wild water buffalo, then golden langur. Okay, and Ganges river dolphin, and what Asian forest tortoise, and many are there. And some rare species of birds found in the state are the white-winged wood duck, then black-breasted parrotbill, Bengal floration, and the refuse-necked hornbill. Okay, and some other biodiversity parks include Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Pavitra Wildlife Sanctuary, Digru Saikwa National Park, Orang National Park, Nameri National Park. Yes. So, and the great Indian one-horned rhino is very famous in our Assam. So next we will know about the industry. So Assam has more than 100 oil fields. Okay, and it produces around 12% of the country total petroleum. Okay, and Assam has a huge reserve of natural gases, limestone, coal, and clay, and etc. Okay, and Assam also has a couple of chemical, petrochemical, and cement and fertilizer plants. So the handloom and handicraft industry is at the zenith in the state. It also has a well-developed silk, jute, paper, sugar mills, and etc. And now is about the people of Assam. And as we know, the people of Assam are very good. So the state of Assam is a blend of various ethnic groups from India as well as from the neighboring countries settled in the state over the long period of time. And according to 211 census, the total population of Assam was like 31.17 million. Okay, so the state is home of more than 30 ethnic groups speaking different languages, and the most commonly spoken language are like Assamese, Bodo, Bengali, and some other the less spoken language are like Nepali, Hindi, Missing, Cookies are also here, and Oriya, Santali, they were also stay in Assam. So next is about transport. Okay, Assam has a well-connected road, highway, and railway link that connect the state with rest of the country. Okay, so like Assam also has its own international airport at Guwahati, named after the legendary Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi. So Assam has a adequate island waterways also, which make water transport important. Then next is tourism. Some of the important Guwahati destination of the states are like Guwahati Kamakhya Temple, then Brahmaputra River cruise, like Lake Chandubi, Povitra Wildlife Sanctuary, archaeological site of Madan Kamdeva, and also Hafla, the only hill station of the state. Haflong is also called the Switzerland of Northeast. Yes. And Jorhat is the last capital of the Ahom dynasty. Then we have the Kaziranga National Park, Majuli, Manas National Park, Shivsagar, then Tinsukia. There are lots of tourist places in Assam. The next we have is festival, which is very important. And as we all know, that Bihu is the main festival of Assam, our state festival of Assam. So the most important festival of Assam state is Bihu, and which is celebrated as the Assamese New Year. It is celebrated in the month of April. Yes, and some other world celebrated festivals are like Durga Puja, then Eid ul Fitr, Eid ul Adha. Then the Bodos, they celebrate the Waisagu. Then Dimasa tribe, they Busudima, with great enthusiasm. Yes, and some other traditional festival like Kherai, Garja, Chojun, Bathau, Rongker, Wangala, Porak, Medam, Mefi are also celebrated by the various ethnics and the cultural group of the state. And also, like the people of Assam, they celebrate national as well as the regional festival with great enthusiasm. We celebrate the national festival also and our state festival with the great excitement and enthusiasm. Okay, so in short, the people of Assam or the state of Assam is a very beautiful place to live in. So this is all about Assam. Hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.